Hello there, my name is Ollie from Range Rover, and today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here is the long wheelbase model. It does come to you with 8,000 miles on the clock and also Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, parking sensors, cruise control, heated 3 cloth line seats at the front, as well as a parking sensor, digital rear view mirror, as well as an automatic transmission, hands-free cooling, and also voice assist there on the steering wheel for you. And I will just show you the load area in the back. Now, as you can see, it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry in the back of this thing, as well as I'll just show you the space from the back 2 doors as well. Now, as you can see, we do have a absolutely pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, unconveyance.co.uk. The link to the video will be in the description if you are watching this on YouTube. If not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more on this and many more of our vehicles.